people. Not the best view, but yeah. So we're gonna go for a bike ride. My sister and my mom is gonna go to the zoo, and we're gonna bike from Bridgeland all the way to downtown. So let's just dropped off my mom and my sister, and now let's go biking. So we're gonna park at Bridgeland at 8A Street at 8A Avenue. I forgot which way is Avenue and Street, but yeah. And good thing on Canada Day there's no rain but there's just scattered showers. So. All right, so let's go biking. So now we are ready to go, and I might do like a time lapse, but we'll have to see. Yeah, let's go. We're gonna stop for a bathroom break. That's the men's in here park. After 3 days of rain, we had all of this huge puddle. That's downtown. And we will go that way. But I think we're just gonna go back that way to Peace Bridge. And also, there's a stage over there. Oops. It always does that, don't worry. I shouldn't worry because there's something wrong. Over there, there's horses there supervising the area, so. Yeah, so let's continue. Sorry, guys. Must be a talented singer. This is what happens on Canada Day. Bees.
I don't know. Gotta go back.
So you left your bag somewhere?
So much bees. And I think that's the camera right there. So, yeah. Alright, so it's just raining and we're gonna go stroll, but I'm not gonna put on the time lapse because everything keeps on going fast. Keeps going by too fast. So I'm just gonna stroll around for about 3 minutes of filming. I think we're not gonna go on the trail. It's just... I think we're in another community right now, so yeah, very cozy one. Alright, I'm gonna stop recording. Alright guys, we just stopped by, and my dad should, and one thing, my dad should be a vlogger next time like I am. So we are on, this is the Bow River, that's, yeah, it's Memorial Drive, I think. And yeah. And there's a guy kayaking over there. Yeah. Nice. Not really dangerous, I think, but let's go down. I'm gonna come down here. Small waterfall. Nice. Look at that backwards wave. Look at that pile.
So he's got his tail is designed for...
We're at downtown. That is Calgary Tower. That is the boat tower, used to be the tallest. That's Suncor, facing Tower 1, I think, or 2. And this is Telus Sky. Was gonna be the tallest building, but I think the height got cut down, so. Nice. I'm gonna like run over there to see. The exterior is complete, but the interior isn't, so. That's the LRT, so, yeah. I'm gonna go back to my dad and, yeah. Let's continue. We're at Stephen Avenue. This is one of the most lively places in the city center, so yeah. Alright, so we're at the Peace Bridge, like just outside Peace Bridge, which is over here. And yeah, I hope the video wouldn't be over 15 minutes, otherwise I'll have to split it into 2 parts. So, my hair's really itchy and we're resting right now, so yeah. And we biked over 20 kilometers, so that's good. Which broke our 16-kilometer record, so yeah. We're just gonna rest for a few minutes and we'll be off. Alright guys, we're back at the car. Thanks for watching the video. Comment, like, and subscribe. And happy Canada Day. And also, if you're watching this in the United States, happy Independence to you. Independence Day to you if you're watching this on the 4th of July. So I'll see you later, and I'll see you.